How's it going? Willie here from webmasterysecrets.com, and today I want to talk to you about why I'm purchasing Pure Leverage, because I know a lot of people are talking about 100% commissions, and I want to take you beyond 100% commissions, if I will. Now, I understand that everybody is out there right now looking for a way to make money or make quick money or whatever the case may be, but I'm an analytical thinker, and for the average analytical thinker out there, 100% commission is not going to make me buy. In fact, Empower Network has started that, and now that's been beat to death. So I want you to look past 100% commissions while you watch this video, and I want to show you why I'm joining. Now, before I do that, I want to take you over to my MLSP account. Because as you can see, inside of MLSP, I'm at the mastery level, I'm at the 3 months. So clearly, Pure Leverage is not like something I'm joining because of 100% commissions. And clearly, Pure Leverage is not something that I really need to join if I'm a part of My Lead System Pro. Or is it? Well, like I told you in the beginning, I'm a very analytical thinker. So I want to break it down to you how I look at this and how I came to the conclusion that I came to. So we're going to minimize this, and in a minute I'm going to walk through it, purchase the product in front of you, because I believe in being authentic. Like, I don't believe in promoting something that I don't own. So let's minimize that for a quick second. And what I want to talk to you about is the first reason why I decided to buy it. I bought it for 5 reasons, but the first reason is my number one reason why I bought it. In fact, let's do it backwards. Okay, so we're going to start with my number 5 reason. So we're going to count down backwards. We're going to start at number 5. The 5th reason why I decided to join is because of the autoresponder. After watching the video and seeing the setup that they have, I like the setup. Looks very easy to me, and plus I'm already using 2 other autoresponders, and if I drop one of them, I automatically cut the cost of what I'm already doing. Plus, I get a lot more features. So it just makes sense to me because I'm already using 2 different autoresponders. The next reason is for the webinars. Now, again, I already do webinars. Like, I already have my own webinar software. And quite frankly, if I can drop that and get 100 seats, then it just makes sense for me to do that as well. Plus, as a leader, if you don't have webinars, the system allows you to grow with it. So meaning, if you're not at the point where you're doing webinars right now, it's cool, because it's nice to know that at some point, whenever you are ready to step out into the world and do webinars, you already have that taken care of, and it's not some third place you have to go log into and learn a whole new system. You're able to do it right inside of here. The third reason why I joined is because of the blog network. Now, I currently own a blog, but if I'm able to get another blog where only thing I have to do is write some content, I don't have to set it up, I don't have to make sure it's optimized, I don't have to do anything, I don't have to be responsible for getting the pages to rank in the search engine. All I have to do is my on-page optimization and my keyword research. To me, that just makes sense, because I don't know if you've ever had to set up a WordPress blog before, but I can show you right now some WordPress blogs that are set up, and I can show you my main WordPress blog that I'm still currently setting up during this particular training, and I'm writing on the blog as I'm setting it up to start building up the value and the juice links and getting that consistency inside of Google and things like this. So the blog is a definite go. The second reason, which I was debating with, is because of the video email. Like, my ability to send video email is like, I can't even put that into words how excited or how happy I am about that feature, because as a video marketer, for me, sitting down writing out or typing out text and then having to proofread it, and then if you still make an error, you got just that one eyeball that want to email you talking crazy, then you got to go unsubscribe them. Like, seriously, this takes out all the confusion. So if I can create a cool little email, put a nice heading up there, put a nice little opt-in or link to wherever I want them to go, and give them a training right from their inbox, that really appeals to me. But the number one reason that I decided to do this, even though I'm currently marketing My Lead System Pro, or even though I currently own My Lead System Pro, is for my team. Now, what do I mean by that when I say my team? Because I know a lot of people talk about 100% commissions, and I want you to notice throughout this whole 5 concepts, 100% commission didn't come into the picture. Why? Because I have 100% commission at My Lead System Pro, and I'm sure if you're at My Lead System Pro and Power Networker or some of the new systems that coming out that offer 100% commission, then you feel like I feel like you really don't need a lot of 100% commissions. At least I don't. I'm speaking personally because I would rather build my name at one affiliate company, grab exposure, and then blow up. But again, that's just me being an analytical thinker. So the number one reason, as I said, was my team. And here's what I mean by team. As a network marketer, everybody wants their team to get a fast start. They want them to get off to a fast pace. And what I mean by fast paced is prior to Pure Leverage coming out, you will have to go with either Empower Network, which I was a part of for all of, I don't know, 2 seconds. Like I got their blogging platform, but I didn't join up to promote them because I really wasn't into it. I just liked it, the ideal of being able to write on a blog that I didn't have to create. The lazy man way, right? So as a network marketer, the reason why I personally feel is not more online marketers in the network marketing industry is because of the learning curve that comes along with promoting online, meaning from buying a domain name to getting a hosting set up to connecting your hosting account to getting the autoresponder and getting that set up. And then after you do all that, you got to figure out how to get your autoresponder integrated with that. And then after you do that, you got to figure out how to get landing pages. And then you got to learn how to drive traffic. This is by far the biggest problem that people face today online who are fresh offline and being introduced to the online world. Now, I'm sure that everybody has their, personal reasons why they join. But to me, for me, if I can hop on my laptop, power up the Mac, create a slide like this, and I can walk my team through why I joined something and then show them how I'm leveraging it to get all of this and save them the hassle of what I'm going through. And let me just show you what I'm talking about just to make sure you understand it, because again, I know a lot of people focus on 100% commissions, but if you do that, you're missing the boat, like seriously. Now, I want to show you my site. Now, this is my new site that I got coming out, right? So, of course, as you can see, it's still in progress. I'm still working on it. And I can show you my site that's already done because, I got a ton of them. Like, this is what gets me excited about the blogging platform, and this is what gets me excited. So you can say MLM Warrior Mindset. So as you can see, I have content on this site as well. You can see I have that. I have a video what pops out when people click on it to play it. And let's go over to MLM Framework. So you can see that here's a landing page that I will have to show my team how to do. Let's go to Leads by Design. Here's another landing page that I use, that I built up, that I will have to show my team how to use the software that I use to do that. And let's go over to one more. Or I'm not even sure if I got this one set up yet. Oh yeah, I do. So let's go over to the last one I want to show you, which is right here. Now, if I wanted to, let's go right here. So as you can see, here's another landing page. And like, honestly, I can do this all day. And the reason why I can do this all day is because I've learned the skill of creating landing pages. I've learned the skill of setting up my own blogs. I've learned the skills of customizing my headers in Photoshop where I have it looking outside. I've learned how to use Dreamweaver, Photoshop, Adobe Frameworks, Adobe Flash. Like, I've taken the time to learn these things because I always wanted to stand out. But here's the reality. most people that come into your network marketing business, and I can close this out because I think you get the point that I'm trying to make. Most people that comes into your network marketing business, they want to get started fast. And the only reason and the only way to get them started fast is to have a system that you can plug them into that doesn't give them too much information, meaning it gives them just enough training to get the ball rolling. And when you're able to do that and they still have things that they can, where you can say everything is integrated, where you know you need an autoresponder and this is what the autoresponder gonna do. You need a blog and this is how you're gonna use the blog. You need to be able to do videos because right now the web is really moving towards videos. And then after you do all that, you need to be able to integrate it. You're gonna need hosting. And you can say all of that is already bundled up and it's only $24.95 or $24.99. Like, that's insane. And to be able to say, okay, you can get it for $1 for the next 7 days just to make sure you like it. If you have any questions in between that time, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. That's like, this is the real reason why you join Pure Leverage. Like, I surely hope you understand that, and I surely hope, whoever watching this video right now, like, understand that it's bigger than 100% commissions, because when you compare 100% commissions to your time and the things you could be doing with that, it's like invaluable. And the reason why I say that is because these are all the things you don't have to teach your team how to do now. These are all the extra bills your team not going to have, because $19 on your autoresponder. Right now, with HostGator, I'm paying a little bit over $35 a month for hosting. My blog is up under my hosting. I had to learn that skill. So to learn how to do that, I don't even know how much I paid. And then to be able to create videos that they host for you, meaning you don't have to worry about the bandwidth and you don't have to worry about them shutting your hosting account down because they're using up too much bandwidth. Like, this, I mean, I don't know how else to say it. This is why you join. This is extremely powerful. And I hope you understand, like, from an analytical standpoint, that it just makes sense. Now, with that said, really quickly, I'm going to show you the 100% commissions. And the reason why I'm going to show you the 100% commissions is because I know that's why a lot of people are on here, because 9 times out of 10, if you go over to YouTube, you got like 50 links that say 100% commissions. So the 100% commissions, you get that. You also get the elite coaching program, which is what we were talking about. You get the lead capture page. So this means they don't have to learn any HTML or anything like that. You get my favorite, which is the video email software. You get the authority blog, which simply means your blog is already ranking in the search engines. You get the turbo traffic generator, so they teach you how to get traffic to your site. And you get the live meeting room. Plus you get the 100% commissions. So it's very cool. Like, I couldn't imagine why anybody wouldn't do it. Then you also get more. So enough talk. I'm sure you get it by now. Like, you can look over here and see how much all these different things cost. You can see right here how Pure Leverage stack up to TalkFusion and all those. And TalkFusion is a very popular service. So for it to stack up and TalkFusion not meet this requirement is pretty big. And then to know you can do it for $1 and then $24.95 a month, like, it's a no-brainer. So with that said, let's click the add to cart button. And I'm going to put in my full name. I'm going to simply hit continue. Okay, so at this point, it just simply asks you to create an account. I pick my username, password, verify my password, preferred language, which is English, looked over this, and then after that, I simply click here to create account. So at this point, I simply want to put in my information, so I'm just going to type this in. I'm going to just blur out the screen so that way you'll know that I'm doing this in real time. Okay, so at this point I have all my information in. Only thing left for me to do is simply click the buy button, which is the next button. So it says, congratulations, you have been successfully signed up. So now at this point I'm just simply gonna click right here. Okay, so I can see right now it says welcome Willie, and okay, so it's pretty straightforward. I can see the welcome intro video, the instructions. I like the fact that it's in a PDF format as well. Everybody don't necessarily enjoy video, so that's pretty cool. And people on multiple channels. Promotional tools for those of you who are really fired up about marketing it. I really like their capture pages. And let's see if I'm able to check it out. It's pretty nice. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, ad copy. Ad copy just simply means they tell you what to say to get the best response. And of course you can modify it how you see fit. You can invite friends right there. The next one is leaderboards. Then you have your level marketing, which is the first thing, which is the lead capture page, which is what we talked about. Now up here is your peer leverage. So from my understanding, and of course I'm going through this just like you all are, but I have done some extensive research on it, so I do have a general idea. So this is your peer leverage. This goes with your affiliate. So when you get new opt-ins from your affiliate link, they automatically enroll in the system. So in this system, they go from being a peer leverage lead to a peer leverage customer, then of course resale rights and so forth and so on. Now at that point you have down here, which is your business model, and your business model can just simply be you creating a system for your people who you want to join your primary business, or if you're a sales pro, people who you want to buy your products and services and things like that. So you're now able to send them videos of you demonstrating things and things like that. I mean, you can get honestly as creative as you like with this. The sky's literally the limit. You have your video emailing, which is what I'm very excited about, which I probably can't use. Yeah, kind of figured that because I have to have a video. So you have up here, we have just simply the campaigns. Like you just simply click on which campaign you want to toggle, who you want to send it to. Plus you can select all campaigns, I'm thinking. So it's just about which ones you want to see. Then you can do your subject line. Then you have your HTML or your WYSIWYG editor. So if you know HTML, it's pretty cool because you can insert that here. Or if you have something like Dreamweaver, you can create it in Dreamweaver and then put it over here. It's a little bit more advanced, but again, just simple things you can do. You can send to friends. Then after that, let's see. Down here it says add a recorded message. Let's see if I can find something really quickly on my desktop that I can upload. And let's see, how about, let's see, a movie. It would be awesome if I could find like a little, oh, this is awesome, a 1-minute movie. So I can open that up right there. Right now is going through the upload process. That one that I just picked up was actually 1 minute and 41 seconds. So just to give you a general idea of how fast the uploader is. So it's not bad at all, actually. So now what just happened is it took the video that I just done, and now it's telling me I can choose a template. So now let's see what type of template I want. So I can move this around. I can put this video right here, and this is what I was talking about earlier. So I can have a headline up here, a video right here, right? So let's say if I wanted to make it, let's see, okay, so you can see I just simply say uncover the true secrets to generating 50 plus leads per day with ease. Then after that, of course, we just add this right here. Let's see, we can do font style. I can do 10. Okay, maybe I want to go bigger. I want to center it to give it some type of style to it, make it look a little bit neater. Then I want to bring this down a little bit. So let me see something really quickly. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. How to make that box bigger. So as you can see, I just simply drag the corners to make it bigger. Down here I can change the font. So I can change the font to, let's say, Tahoma. And at that point, if I wanted to, I could change the color. And we could say, change the color to, let's say, blue. See how that look. Okay, so I highlighted it. We don't want to do that. We want to change the color, which would be right here. We want to change the color to blue. So of course that wouldn't work for us because that blue doesn't stand out. That black doesn't either. So the white actually works the best on this particular background. Or you want some type of bright color. So nope, not bright enough. So we're gonna just roll with the white because I can do this all day. Like I'm definitely digging this. So at the end I could put a simple call to action that says, let's see, drop that down and say just click. Well, we can keep it up here. Let's click play. Then after that, I can simply click preview.
How's it going? And welcome.
And then after that, okay.
Back to the Elite Marketing Empire.
Okay, so there's the benefit for them to actually watch it. It's only 1 minute and 40 seconds. Then after that, they can scroll down. So of course, what I would personally do is I would make sure this doesn't require people to scroll. So what that simply means is I would go back here and I would take this right here and I might bring it down to 10. And then after that I would say preview again.
How's it going? And welcome back to Elite Marketing.
And I love the fact that it autoplay. So by right, I don't even need to just click play right here. And as you can see, that little scroll bar is gone. So pretty cool stuff. I hope you can see like the value in this. Like it's not hard at all. Actually, this is my first time ever having it, and I'm already up inside of it playing and all that other good stuff. So pretty cool stuff. And then you just want to always make sure you preview it. So of course I would just take that down, but for the sake of time I'm going to put it at 10 and click create. So at that point I can position this the way I want it. I've already chosen a template, so I'm going to stick to the grass. I've already edited, and it says the page at WGO says message cannot be blank. Okay, so this is, I'm assuming, a message right here. I'm just going to put Willie's demo. Then after that, let's push create. And as you can see, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Click here to play the video. Like, man, that is cool. I don't even know what else to say other than that's cool. Okay, so if you're like me, I'm sure you want to see how this is going to look in my inbox. So what I've done is I've paused it really quickly off camera. Had to figure it out right quick. So I simply clicked the button that was right here where it said queue up, so you can see this broadcast has been sent. So I'll head over here, and as you can see, I have Willie's demo as the subject line, and it says check it out. It says click here to play the video. This is exactly how it looks with an unsubscribe link. So I really like it. So I'm gonna click it, and instantly you see the video start playing, and you see the call to action above, which gives them the benefit of watching the entire video straight through. So I really like this. I'm got like 1,000 things running through my head right now, how creative I can get with this. And honestly, if you don't have this one feature alone and you're just sending plain text, like, bells should be going off right now. Like, how can you compete with someone that's able to send videos directly to them? So if you have a video blog, you now can just send your videos directly to whomever you want to see them without having to drive that traffic back to your blog if you don't want to. Very powerful. With that said, let's get back over there and finish up really quickly. So let's get back over here. Of course, we have the conference room. In the conference room, if you're familiar with GVO, then you already know how it is. But if you're not, I'm just going to click on it really quickly so you can just see how it looks really quick. And here's the conference room. And I'm sure, let's see. It's asking me for my username and password. I'm not entirely sure what that is. I can see if it's my username and password to access the site, and we can go from there. And it is. So now we know the same password is universal, works with everything. So as we can see, it's a pretty standard site, and of course you can go into your settings and you can set up everything, and you can make all your little features pop up over here and things like that, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. So let's get back over here, and of course live calls. So schedule for upcoming calls. It's pretty cool. Recorded calls, so I'm assuming this is of course training, so if you miss one, then they are already back here, so they're starting to build up their library. Awesome. And then after that, you have traffic and lead generation. These are media places, solo ad places, your business, your leads, email your leads, your downline. So I mean, again, you guys, like, this is really laid out. I really like it. I'm more than happy with my decision to pick this up in conjunction with MLSP. So with that said, if you would like to learn more about Pure Leverage, just simply click the link below and get all your questions and everything answered. Once you click the link below and you press the buy now, you'll be directly working with me, and of course you'll have instant access to me. And if you get stuck or something like that, I'm just a phone call, a Skype, or whatever the case, however you prefer to contact me, whether it's Skype, phone, or email or way, you definitely have support. And as you can see, I love tinkering with technology. Like, I think it's amazing. But anyway, I think I've talked long enough. I think you can understand why I picked it up now, and how 100% commissions had really nothing to do with it, in all honesty. But I do understand the need for having that in place. So I know I downplayed it in the video, but I do understand the need for your cash flow and all that other good stuff, because after all, that's what keeps us in business. So simply click the link below to take a look at it. sign up for the dollar trial. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. It's only $24.95 a month. You get to save on your hosting, your autoresponder, your video hosting, all that other good stuff. It's a no-brainer. I'll see you inside, and I look forward to working with you.